is caked and covered from a hard day's work, it's time to turn to the one machine that can make it all go away with the push of a button. Grillbot. Grillbot does the dirty work with 3 powerful electric motors spinning 3 wire brushes that scrape away baked-on crust that makes grill cleaning a hassle. Whether your grill is hot or cold, Grillbot has the cleaning covered. Grillbot also features a built-in LCD with a timer to let you know when your grill is clean, and an alarm to let you know if Grillbot is overheating. Batteries are completely rechargeable with an included AC adapter. And the brushes can be removed and popped in a dishwasher for easy cleaning. And replacement brushes are available for each new grilling season. Grillbot has special technology that allows it to roam independently around your grill surface, giving it a deep clean in minutes while you get back to the party. Say goodbye to the scraping and brushing that takes the fun out of grilling, and say hello to Grillbot, the grill cleaning robot.